Good defense. Number 2 layup. Cameron rebounds. Next check here, get the ball back. And it back. Rebound. Number 4. Out of bounds. Okay, then please play on the ball on the other court, please. We are having a game on the other sides. Number 3, got a jump shot. What a speed move. Still no points yet. Cameron. Four seconds.
Áp vô.
Number 2. Number 4 rebounds. It's not in yet. No points on the game yet for this game. It's very intensive. Number 1 at a jump shot. Take that shot. Not in. Out of bounds. White ball. 12 seconds. Good defense. Yes. First team foul. Connection hit. Ball 2, then a jump shot. 12 second shot clock.
Ơi.
Out of bounds. Ball back to connection hit. Substitutions.
Mày hết.
Wide open pass.
Woo! Woo!
The layup hit the board. Good move. And another pass. Keep ball. 12 seconds. Next check keep ball. Still. Number 3.
Woo!
Yes, so close. Number 4, with the right. Opening points.
Quả đầu tiên.
Hey.